How to cancel order on Pandora Jewellery. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already logged into your Pandora account. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right, you're gonna find different icons. Click on this one icon. Different options will pop up. Head towards the option of order history. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to the order history page. Over here, you will be able to find all of your Pandora orders. The goal of Pandora is to process and ship orders quickly. Once you have received your confirmation email, the order has been already sent for processing and cannot be adjusted or cancelled. You may return items that are unused and in original condition within 30 days of purchase. Damaged defective items can be only returned by mail and cannot be returned or exchanged in store. In the case you haven't received your confirmation email yet, you can cancel the order. You can come to this page and you will be able to find all the orders. Now head towards the order that you want to cancel, click on it. You will get the option of edit or cancel. Go ahead and click on the option of cancel. With that, the order will be cancelled. So this is how you can cancel order on Pandora Jewellery account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.